metrovacuums.com.
Hello, I'm Jenny with metrovacuums.com. We've been talking about the Miele S2 series, and if you've seen our video on Olympus, you'll definitely want to see how the Capri compares. Capri has been stamped with the Green Good Housekeeping seal for its eco-friendly manufacturing and performance. Capri also comes with Miele warranties, covering the casing and motor each for 7 years. Parking slots conveniently store the floor tool. The patented Vortex motor ranges from 300 to 1200 watts, depending on which of the 6 settings you select. The telescopic wand fits on both the Parquet and Turbo Comfort floor brush. You can adjust the air intake on the Turbo Comfort brush by sliding the valve over. This floor tool works best on smooth surfaces like tile, linoleum, and hardwood. But it can also work on low-pile carpets. The turbo brush twists to clean around curved areas. On deep pile carpet, especially area rugs, it is powerful enough to pick up stubborn particles like pet fur. The Capri comes with 3 attachment tools that clip directly onto the non-electric hose. The upholstery nozzle works on multiple types of fabrics, including leather. It has 2 thread catchers on it to pick up the lightest of items. The dusting brush can rotate to a 90-degree angle or stay straight at 180 degrees. The crevice tool has the perfect design to pick up dirt where no other tool can reach. Three caster wheels each spin 360 degrees to maximize smooth maneuverability. The automatic cord rewind is operated by the tap of your foot. The orange indicator tells you it's time to change out your dust bag. With average use, this should be every month. The air clean filter needs to be changed on average once a year. The S2 series Miele Capri has much to offer, from convenient design to effective performance.
For information on this and other fine products, visit the experts at metrovacuums.com.